Okay, guys and gals, now the exciting part. Let's create landing pages targeted at MLM companies, to all those 95 to 98% of the people that are failing out there in those companies, and let's help them grow their business and share a lot of value to them and draw them into our NetDivvy marketing and training system. Okay? So how do I find companies to target? Well, go to npros.com. That website shares a lot of data. They have close to 1,200 to 1,300 companies, MLM companies, that they actually keep a database of all kinds of reference materials, their links, their websites, a little bit of information about the companies. So anyway, npros.com. Okay, now scroll midways down the page, and off to the left you're going to see I have it circled with an arrow on it. Those are the companies that have the largest amount of interest of people, not only the amount of affiliates that are in the companies, but just the searches that's done within their system. Avon is actually ranked number 1, and I think we're going to use that one as far as targeting and setting up a campaign. We'll go through that logistics on it. Through the center part, all of those companies are relatively new companies, and those would be a good idea to also do landing pages and target, because there's going to be a lot of Google interest, Google searching about those companies because they're new. Okay, so Avon is the company we're going to target. So go to Aweber and log in, of course, and now go to the top of the page and click on Create and Manage New List. And that'll take you to the next page, where in the center of the page you're going to see a green tab that says Create List or Create New List. So click that green tab. And that now brings us to the page for basic information. So you're going to see now a default number like you did on the original one you set up. Delete those numbers out of there, and let's attempt to use Avon Secrets 77. If that's available, it'll show green underneath it. If it's not, it'll show red, so you're going to have to play with it. But try to keep Avon in the campaign name, and then underneath that, in separate words, type in Avon Marketing Secrets. Your email and name's already populated in there, so scroll to the bottom of this and click the Save Settings tab, and then scroll back up to the top. And now it's going to be dark charcoal all the way across, with exception on the far left, which we just came off of. So in the center part of that, it says Personalize Your List. Click that, and that'll open up this page. And then type in, just like we did on the basic information, type in Avon Marketing Secrets. And then in the website URL, you want to go to your notepad and grab your tiny URL, tinyurl.com NetDivvy sales page. And that's going to be pasted then into this box right here. And then underneath, put in have a great day or to your success. And then, of course, your name. And then go to the bottom of this page and click Save Settings. Don't worry about the snippets. They're going to be automatically populated because we already have taken care of those in your original campaign. Now back to the top of the page, and to the right of the Personalize Your List, you'll see that dark charcoal with an envelope that's kind of showing there. Click on that, and then scroll down just a little bit, and you see where my arrow is. Get rid of the Avon Secrets or whatever campaign name that you ended up with. Delete that out of there, and then type in Avon Marketing Secrets, and then make sure that all the sentences are together. You're probably going to have to do a little adjusting there. Oh, I neglected to tell you, the way you type in there is off to the left. You'll see that gray Edit tab there, and just click that, and that'll allow you to type in there. And then once you do that, scroll on down to the middle of the page, and now, like we did on the original campaign that you set up, I need you to click the off button there, and then that'll have a pop-up come up, and click the yes. And now paste in again your NetDivvy sales page URL in the success page blank area there, and then click the green save settings, and then scroll back up to the top of the page. Okay, now at the top of the page, I want you to click the message area there and click follow-up messages. That's going to bring a screen up, and it's going to say create new messages on a big green horizontal tab. So once that shows up there, then go to the left where I've got that one in the arrow down, and find the original campaign that you did. I think it says my NetDivvy, whatever it says. Now click that, and then scroll to the bottom of that page, because that has all the messages on them. You're going to see a code that's off to the extreme left, like I'm showing there on the screen. Copy that code, and then come back up, arrow down, and find the Avon campaign. Click on it. Once it populates, then go down to the bottom of the page, and just to the left of that red load campaign tab, paste in that code that we copied off of your original campaign, and then click load campaign, and all those messages will populate over into Avon. Okay, and then once that's done, we're going to head over to NetDivvy. Okay, now at NetDivvy, this is where we're going to create the landing page for Avon. So go to create new landing page, and then in the title, make the title in separate words, Avon Marketing Secrets, and then arrow down and pick the template of videos. Once those come up, pick the one that I got marked number 4, which is the center top one. Click select, and once you click select, scroll to the bottom. When you get down to the bottom, title it Avon Marketing Secrets. Whoops, wait a minute. On the video, there's no spot to put the title in. So now with the embed code that we pasted into the original campaign videos that we did, grab that, and it should be in your notepad. Grab those that embed code, or go to the NetDivvy channel and copy another embed code from one of the movies or videos there. Paste that in the embed area. Then click your arrow down on the Aweber, or on the autoresponder. Click Aweber. It'll bring over all your campaigns. Click on the Avon Secrets campaign, or whatever the campaign name is for Avon, and then paste in your sales page URL, and then click Save Settings or Save, and then scroll back up to the top of the page. And at the top of the page, then you're going to click the View tab on this landing page we just created. Up at the top in the browser, copy that link. We're going to do the same thing as we done previously. We're going to go over to tinyURL. Now paste that into the link area of the tinyURL. Customize it and say Avon Marketing Secrets if it's available or not. If it's not available, use some numbers after it. Then click Make tinyURL. Copy that link, and then bring it back over and paste it into your notepad so that we can utilize it in the future when we do some marketing. Now, as you can see, we are able to actually target individuals that are having problems with specific businesses that they're in. In this particular case, it would be Avon, and I would continue making as many campaigns as you can for various businesses, because that just allows you to go out and just market to all of them, and it certainly helps driving targeted traffic to you. Well, guys and gals, I hope it was helpful to you going through these series of videos. I know it's certainly worked for me. I have I have many, many, many landing pages and company campaigns set up, and it certainly helps me as far as targeting a specific company and bringing them into my autoresponders, and from there it's just amazing what occurs. So anyway, build as many as you desire, build as many campaigns as you desire, and I'll catch you at the beach.